Let me tell you everything you need to know about the VGR hair or beard trimmer. This thing is super cool. Now, the first thing you'll notice when you hold it in your hand is how kind of heavy duty it is, because this whole thing is metal. Yes, this is metal. This has a rubberized texture, but under here is also metal. Metal head, ceramic head, by the way. And look at those. You've got a little bit of hair here, sorry. Look at those ceramic, that ceramic head moving, 9,000 RPM. What does that mean? Well, basically, it's not going to snag the hair. You can actually go really quickly. I like to use a trimmer when it's, when I do it, I want to do it quickly. But if that thing is not going at the right speed, you are going to, oh, and I just did it, snag the hair. Obviously, look at this. I can literally just, look at it flying all over the place. And I can go as fast as I want. Woo. I should do this outside more often. My wife would be happier. This is really, really nice. Now, super smooth to use. It is USB-C rechargeable, which is something that we all love, of course. There is only one button, so it's literally on or off. You're getting that full 9,000 RPM blast every single time. And then you've got a nice little display here that lets you know how much battery you've got left right now, 96%. I'm really happy with this. You do have a cover. I rarely use the cover unless I'm going to be traveling. So if you travel, obviously put that cover on to protect that ceramic head. And then I want to show you what it comes with, because that's a really cool thing. It comes with these are plastic heads right there, 1, 2, and 3 millimeters. So you got the 1 millimeter, you've got the 2 millimeter, and you got a 3 millimeter. So depending on how much beard or hair you want to leave, you use these clippers as we would. And honestly, you don't need 9, 10 different ones. Those ones here are kind of like the perfect ones, I find, for men to kind of keep things clean, whether it's around your neck area here, and also your beard and those sideburns. And the really nice thing, they didn't give you a little spurty spurt. This is a proper bottle for that blade oil. So all you need to do is a little bit of oil, and I'm going to show you. You go like that, just a little bit of oil here, and once that oil is on, run the blade to make sure that it seeps into that ceramic head, and you're good to go. You can just dispose of it wherever, or put it back in your bag, wherever you want to do. The nice thing with this is you don't need to use it every single time you use the trimmer. I usually use it once every couple of weeks, and you're good to go. They do offer you, and by the way, what a nice threaded cable. They give you a USB-A to USB-C to charge this unit, of course. And I think this is super cute. Look at this, the VGR little comb. So if it's going to be combing your sideburns, maybe your beard, you want to make sure your beard is okay, or your mustache, and then you can trim around with your This is great, super soft bristles as well. But yeah, this whole thing is the complete pack, but the big winner here, the big hero, is this really, really high-end and heavy-duty VGR trimmer. I love this thing.